Hello, welcome to The Tools. In today's video, we'll be testing the latest Deep Live Cam 2.3 and showing you how to use it to make a video call. With this version, you're able to generate random faces to use, fix the bluish camera issue, and use features like the face enhancer and frame skip/buffer, which help improve performance and enhancement quality. You also have the option to switch between the in-swapper model and the hyper-swap model. Yo, if this video's helping you out, smash that like button and hit subscribe. It keeps the tech magic going. Adjust the opacity and sharpness of the face mask, and even tweak the forehead alignment of your avatar for a more natural look. Alright, let's test out the enhancer feature. Normally, when you turn this thing on, your PC starts begging for mercy because it trades speed for that crispy HD quality. But hey, with this new update, it's actually running smoother and faster. And with the new frame skip/buffer option, the output looks way better. Smoother, cleaner, and way less like your webcam is fighting for its life. Okay, now that we're done testing, it's time for the real fun, using the software for a video call. We'll be setting it up through SplitCam on WhatsApp. Select Preview and then adjust to fit to screen. Go to WhatsApp Settings, Video and Audio, and select Split Cam as video output. You know, just to confuse a few friends and make them question reality for a second. Like, imagine calling your buddy and suddenly you're Elon Musk. Bro's gonna start asking for crypto tips mid-call. Thanks for watching, Legends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. It really helps me keep creating cool stuff like this. And as always, stay sharp, stay curious. This is The Tools.